Hey guys, this is Sky. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my DIY Bentonite clay mask for my face. So I have my bentonite clay in a clear plastic container, and then I have my apple cider vinegar that I'm mixing with the clay, and then I'm going to mix both of them with a plastic stick. This is just one of my old makeup brushes. I took out the brush part and I'm using the stick to do the mixing. So I pour the apple cider vinegar into the container having the clay, mix it properly into a paste, and then apply it straight to my face. I also add a little bit of water just to further dilute the bentonite clay and the apple cider vinegar mix. I just go straight ahead and apply it all over my face with my fingers, making sure to cover the areas that I have huge pores the more. I have huge pores around my cheeks and my nose, my entire face actually, but it's very bad around my nose and cheeks area, and also on my forehead too. I just put it all over my face, covering it not too thickly but enough to get the job done. I do this while avoiding my eyelids and my overall eye area. So I'm supposed to leave it for about 15-20 minutes, or as much as you can carry it until it dries, and then I rinse the clay off. I'm going straight in with my toner just to restore balance to my face after I've washed off the clay. So after the toner, I just go in with a moisturizer and just pat that in. My skin feels very soft. My pores feel and look much smaller, which I really like. I have oily skin and huge pores, so if you have similar problems to or similar skin type, this is something that I really recommend, that really helps me, and I think it's gonna help you too. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this small video. I will see you in my next video, but before you go, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel in case you're not, and I will see you very soon. Bye.